SlipDoctors Tub Grip is a clear water-based epoxy acrylic coating designed to provide anti-slip protection on fiberglass and acrylic bathtubs and showers. The kit includes tub grip coating and a foam roller for application. Gloves may be worn when applying tub grip. Lightly sand the surface with 220 grit sandpaper is recommended to promote adhesion. Surface must be clean and dry prior to application. Shake tub grip bottle gently for 5 to 10 seconds to distribute additive. Pour enough contents from the bottle to apply one thin coat. Use the included foam roller to spread tub grip evenly over the surface. Wait 20 minutes and then use the remaining product to apply a thin second coat. Wait 12 to 24 hours before use to allow tub grip to cure completely. Various options are available for tub grip and shower surfaces. Scan the QR code to download the technical data sheet for safety and application details. Enjoy your new anti-slip surface by SlipDoctors. Don't slip, get a grip.